How to convert your PDF file to PowerPoint. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you want to convert your PDF file to PowerPoint, watch this video till the end. First of all, open PowerPoint on your laptop or PC. Normally, when you want to open a file, you click on the File option, then select Open. Now browse the file that you want to open. For example, in this video, I want to open a PDF file in PowerPoint. Once you have selected the file, click on Open. When you do that, you will find that the PDF file has not been properly converted into PowerPoint. Now that is because in PowerPoint, PDF files are not accepted. So if you want to convert your PDF file into PPT, you want to open up a web browser, then search for adobe.com. Once you're over here, you want to select the option of PDF and e-signatures. Here on the Online Tools sections, click on View All Tools. Now click on Convert. From here, you want to select Convert PDF to PPT. Now click on Select File. Browse the PDF file that you want to convert into PPT. Select it and then click on the Open option. The PDF file is now being uploaded. Once it has been uploaded, it will be converted into PPT. Now click on the Download option. Once the download has been completed, open the downloaded file. Now it will be opened in PowerPoint, and as you can see, your PDF has been converted into PowerPoint. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.